Now, there's two types of knowledge for God. There's God's knowledge of other things, and then there's God's knowledge of himself. Two types. God has both of them, and he has both of them to the highest degree possible. God knows everything in creation, and God also knows himself. You following so far?
Right, so, yeah, so...
Okay, good. Now, that self-knowledge of himself, right, is everything that God is. Correct?
Okay.
Because it's God's knowledge of himself. It isn't different to God himself, apart from the fact that it's his self-knowledge, and then there's God. Both of these two things, essentially, are the same thing. If I told you how many things we're counting, how many would you say?
One.
You say one.
If God knows himself, and he knows of all of creation...
Well, then you have God and God's self-knowledge of himself. Those two things aren't the same.
No, if God knows himself and he's the creator of the heavens and the earth, he's still that one being. He's still that one...
Oh, of course. That's what Trinitarians are saying as well.
No, but you're saying Jesus is God.
Yeah, Jesus is that self-knowledge.